You are watching Creative Bible Journaling's technique video, Apple Block Printing, with Susan and Jackie. So now we have our apples cut and ready to color with the watercolor gel crayons. And we have the red one that we're going to go around the edge. We're making a definite line there, so it'll be a definite apple shape, and then around the middle area. And then just filling it in with the orange and yellow. And then just kind of blending it with my finger. Now we're putting it over the words a little bit there, and you'll be able to read it just fine. On the next one, we have the other apple shape. We're going to do the same thing on that one. Color it with red on the outside. Of course, you can do it any color you want. Granny Smith apples or the yellow ones. And around the middle like we did the other one. And then putting the cardstock right there where the margin is. And now you're not covering up the words. I think that looks actually very nice. Has a nice straight edge there. And now for the little crab apple. And now we're going to put that in there as well. Creating a straight line. Trying to just figure out what might be nice. Very nice. Maybe one more down at the bottom, maybe. So different shapes, different sizes. And because we're using the gelatos, the gel sticks, and the pencils, there is no reason to prep the page with any of the acrylic or gesso type mediums. So that's always nice. And we didn't have to plan ahead for that. Now we're just highlighting around the edge to make it a sharper edge, more pronounced. And sometimes when you're working with these gelatos, it can clog up your pen tip or get on your pencil tip. And so I just wipe that away. Being careful not to use it with the pens, as sometimes that gets the tips messed up. And adding some seeds in there, as we know that they were there. And so we're just coloring those in with the pencil. And so now we have a appled page that we can write on it the caption of your choice. And this is Psalm 17:8. Keep me as the apple of thy eye, hide me under the shadow of thy wings. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of using ordinary apples to make an interesting journaling page.